What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. I have here the Samsung Galaxy Watch, the 46mm edition. Now, I haven't used the smartwatch in so long. I've pretty much been using just your standard everyday watches. And the real last smartwatch I had was the Moto 360 first generation. So this goes to show you how long I've been out the smartwatch game. And if you want to count a Fitbit that I got for free. So this is going to be somewhat of a little bit of a new experience for me. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside of it and let you know what I know about it so far. On the side of the box, it does tell you it has a long battery life. It is set for auto fitness and wellness tracking. It does support 35 workout activities. And it is swim ready, water resistance up to 50 meters deep. So you can swim with this watch and don't have to worry about it being damaged. So this is a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, has GPS on it. Does have, like I said, this is the Bluetooth connected one. This is not the LTE version. It's available in two sizes, the 46mm and a 42. Real nice watch. Nice dark dial with a silver body. Has a standard rubberized type of watch band. Texture buttons, which is really cool. Real nice deal. Let's check out what's inside the box. What else do they give you? Slide that out. Two sides. You get a charging cable, I'm assuming for the port. You also get the charging stand, magnetized. Get a charging brick. And a extra band for small wrist. I don't think I'll be needing that one. And some quick guides and instructions. So that's pretty much it. Now this particular Galaxy Watch, well, I think all Galaxy Watches had the ability to pair with both Android and iOS via the Bluetooth connection. So there should be no problem for those out there who doesn't like the small, somewhat sleek build of the iWatches. You can get you a Galaxy Watch and pair it with your iPhone. Or if you're somebody who's still in the Android ecosystem but has iOS also, or might be making that jump, you don't have to go all the way over and leave behind your Galaxy Watch. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing powered up, play around with it. Let me check, see if it has any juice in it. It does have a nice little wide face. Let's check it out. First boot up of the Galaxy Watch. All right, download. The first thing it tells you, and the first thing my note does, it recognizes that there is a Galaxy Watch in the area. So let's connect it. I have to allow quite a bit for the Galaxy Watch to work on the phone. Let's pair up loading. Download the Galaxy wearable app. Let's pair. Boom, boom. Hit the numbers. Nice graphic. I was actually going to pair this off camera, but hey, the phone wanted to do it. My smart lock feature is kicking in. Do I want to add this as a trusted device? Allow. Allow. Check your phone to complete setup. All right. Searching for a backup that I may have used on a previous smart device. They said this may take a while. And while your phone is doing that, it's telling you to turn the dial to, get somewhat familiar with the phone. Watch faces, tell you where to find your messages, hit the back key, and here's the home key on the bottom. So it gives you a little tutorial. Almost there. Swipe down. That's your notification screen, kind of flashed in and flashed out. Cover with the palm. Teach you how to turn off your screen. Now I'm all set on my phone. My phone just went through its prompting. Then it has also some instructions on how to get familiar with your Galaxy Watch. So that was a quick setup and run through. So that's pretty interesting. Let me dial this down maybe if you want to look at it. I think I got this brightness turned up. So yeah, 80% of the battery is set up. It has to learn my usage pattern. Again, the storage is 4 gigabytes. We're 2.5 out the box. That's a lot, Samsung. Next, it's telling me I have 405 megabytes of RAM being used and a total of 768 megabytes of RAM is needed to run the phone. I have 291 megabytes of RAM free, so I shouldn't have any kind of sputtering. It's for this type of RAM management, it should be plenty to run this phone. Gives you an example of the watch faces that I can transfer from this app to the watch itself, and the settings menu. So this is a very in-depth app. Like I said, I look forward to messing around with this and getting to know this phone. Enjoy. I'm all done. All right, let's see here. I can view my messages. As long as it's connected to the phone, I can take a phone call. I think once I hit the phone call button, I don't know if the call is will come through the watch itself, or I need to go ahead and get my phone again. I'm gonna have to try all this out. Like I said, this is real interesting. First Galaxy Watch. Look forward to learning a little bit about this and giving you my review of this Galaxy Watch later on. So that pretty much does it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave those down below, and also subscribe to the channel. And I'll check everybody in the next video. I'm out.